In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should never use fresh fruit in cocktails. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I'm Steve the Barman and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Right, debate video, bit of a different video this time, but a debate video. I've had a few comments recently, since I've sort of swapped over and made a big deal about these purees, which you can see beside me, and before that I was using real purees. A few comments saying, Steve, why don't you use fresh fruit? As in, not so much a question, but more of a statement. In other words, you should use fresh fruit in cocktails. Here's why I believe that isn't true. So first off, I want to set the scene. Throughout most of my career, I've been in high volume places, very quick turnaround on drinks, very big queues, very sort of just high turnover, like literally event bartending. You're asked to make 100 mojitos, 50 porn style martinis. You're not saying, oh, let's have a pint of Stella, a glass of wine and that. So most of my career, I've been all about purees. But here's the big thing. This is what I really do believe in. People, if you've watched these videos, then you'll know that I'm not necessarily in the mixology school of thought. I don't like using fresh ingredients in that sort of sense of the word, because I value consistency and speed more than anything. Now, here's the debate, because let's just take strawberry. I've got strawberry puree here. Let's just take strawberries, for instance. Strawberries are seasonal. Yes, they're grown all around the world, but even strawberries in the same punnet don't taste identical. You could have 2 or 3 strawberries that you make one cocktail with that can taste completely different with other strawberries in that same punnet. So when you're muddling down in that, you cannot guarantee that consistency and flavour. And when we make drinks, we want to make sure that our drinks we make at, say, 7 o'clock in the evening are taste identical to what they do at 10, 11, 1 o'clock in the morning. And it's the same, we want our drinks in the summer to taste identical to the drinks in winter. But there's another argument coming here as well, because the comeback for the most uneducated is always, well, these purees just contain sugar, and which they do. I'm quite open and honest. Let's have a look at this strawberry per 30 ml. Where's the strawberry? Is 19 grams of sugar per I can't even say it, per 30 ml. Now on face value, that is quite a lot, but here's the thing, especially if you non-bartenders watching this, here's the thing that is kind of missed, because when you do actually use fresh fruit in cocktails, you are actually using a bit of sugar to bring out the flavour. When you're muddling down, you're always adding sugar. These purees have already got the sugar added to them. So yes, they have got sugar in the product, but when bartenders make drinks using fresh fruit, they are balancing it out with sugar. But there's also another argument I've got for you as well, because as I say, what I believe in my channel is all about helping you at home make better drinks and pubs and bars. I'm not aiming at high-end cocktail bars. I'm not ending at high-end bartenders. I want pubs and bars in the UK and all over the world to make decent drinks. I want you guys at home to make decent drinks. Now, here's the thing. Purees are long life, especially these kind of things are long life and shelf stable. You're not going to have to buy a whole punnet of raspberries or punnet of strawberries for say £3, only use a couple of them, and then they might go to waste. You'll probably eat them, to be fair, but essentially go to waste. Once you open a product like this, they keep on the shelf for at least 3 months, and they're best before, not used by. And this has got, and just if you don't open it, this has got a best before of May 21. That's a year from now, and they're literally like, all right, my price is a bit cheaper, but they're under £8. For you, there might be about £1 or 2 more, but look at the range of flavour that you can always have, especially if you're in pubs and bars, especially if you're at home and you have the occasional parties. Look at the range of fruit that you've already got to hand when you're making drinks. I'm all about consistency, because we know if we're making, once we've played about with it at the start, we know that if I want to make a strawberry mojito with this and I'm using 50 ml of a normal rum, say Havana 3-year-old, I know that I just need 20 ml of that in every single cocktail that I make, and they are going to taste identical from here on in. Whether it's 7 o'clock when I'm first starting, I've got loads of time, whether it's 10 o'clock and we're 5 deep at the bar, they will taste identical. You do not get that with fresh fruit. Hope you enjoyed that. A little bit of a rant. I've gone off there. It's just a few little comments coming in from people that think they know better and then don't see the other side of the argument. There's always two sides to an argument. I know high-end bars will get chastised if they use purees. I get that. I get their clientele, and that is exactly the right thing for them to do. Use fresh fruit. For the people that I'm aiming these videos at, for the people that believe in fun drinks like I do, they save you time, they save you money, they guarantee you flavour, and they are just flipping well awesome. So get on your purees.